Something else that seems stupid to me is the continuing penchant of local officials, whether it be Columbus City Council or Franklin County Commissioners, to engage in activities that clearly prejudice juries who will in the future tackle matters of consequence regarding law enforcement charged with shootings that end the lives of citizens. Now, we have a concept in our country, innocent until proven guilty. We have a concept in our country that justice is blind. We have a concept in our country that you don't want to prejudice juries before they hear evidence in cases presented before them. It is beyond my understanding how a city like Columbus or a county like Franklin County can engage in clearly prejudicing the jury by giving millions of dollars to families who file lawsuits against law enforcement before those matters ever come before a jury. If I'm sitting on a jury and I know that the defendant in the case has already had millions of dollars paid by the entity he works for to the family that is suing him, it is going to be, let's just be charitable, challenging to keep that information out of my head, because the one thing I would have to ask myself is, why would a city pay a family $5 million, as Columbus has done prior to the trial of a policeman charged with the death of a citizen, or in this case before us today, why would Franklin County even be doing what they're doing today, which is deliberating over giving the family of Casey Goodson Jr. $7 million before Deputy Jason Meade is retried in October for what county prosecutors believe was Mr. Meade acting outside the purview of his authority as a then Franklin County Sheriff's deputy serving on a U.S. Marshals task force. This is crazy to me. Utterly crazy to me. Say, wait a minute, didn't they try Jason Meade already? Yeah, they did. Was he convicted? No, he wasn't. The case ended in a mistrial, but they're going to try him again because, of course, if Gary Tyack or any Democrat in this town wants to be reelected prosecutor, and Tyack has already basically ceded the job to Shayla Faber, who is more woke and stupid than he is. He's just lazy and incompetent. She's a partisan. But Franklin County commissioners are, I don't know how they could possibly say that this will not matter at all to a future jury deliberating the fate of Jason Meade, that they've already given Casey Goodson Jr.'s family $7 million, if in fact that is what they will decide today. And you and I both know they are going to decide that. They are not going to say, no, we're going to wait and find out if Jason Meade is guilty of anything. So they apparently just have $7 million of taxpayer money burning a hole in their pocket that they can't wait to